Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TR4755i. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with your computer using a USB cable. Switch the printer on, then go to the back of the printer and connect this USB cable. Connect it to this port and it's in. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to your laptop, to this port, and you will hear a tune. The next thing to do is go to Windows Start, go to Settings, select Printers and Scanners, then add a device. Then you look from the list, you will see Canon TR4700 series. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle. Print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TR4700 series on laptop. Port name USB 112. Data format RAW. Windows x64. If you want to scan documents, select Scanner Settings. Open Scanner. Then go on the left side, scroll down from the list and select Canon TR4700 series. Select on it. If you want to scan document, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. You can scan using ADF or flatbed. So put the document on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. Select correct printer. Source. It will give you flatbed or feeder. So flatbed. Feeder is when you scan with ADF. Then select file type. PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. And also we want to save the file to the document. So you can select resolution according to your preference. The maximum is 600 dpi. So 300 is selected. And we want to scan this in color. So you can scan grayscale or black and white. So color is selected. And we want to save the file in document. You can preview the document or you select scan to scan the document straight. So I want us to select scan. So the document is scanning. Then select view to view the document. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, select Ctrl P, or you go on top and select print icon, select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side, select correct printer, select number of copies, layout, portrait. We want to print this in color. Two-sided printing is off. More settings. The size of the paper, A4 paper, scale, fit to printable area, 1 page per sheet, then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned, save it to the computer, and also print this document out. Another way to set this printer up, go to Windows Start, then go to Microsoft Store, install Canon Print App. So type Canon Print App, select Canon Print App, install Canon Print App to your computer, then open the app. Once you open the app, the printer will show up on the app. This is the printer, it's showing us online. So this is the printer and also the ink level. So from this app, you can print documents, you can scan documents, you can print photos. So if you want to print document, then select document print. Go on the left side, select the document you want to print out. Going to type the document I saved to the computer. Select on the document, select open. This document is 2-page document. Select close. Then you go on the right side, select the size A4. We want to print all. Plain paper, duplex printing. Want us to print two-sided printing, duplex printing. Quality, auto. Borderless, you can switch borderless on or off. And also you select the color. You can also print in black and white. Source, front tray. Select number of copies, then select print. So we're going to print this document in color and two-sided. This is the document we printed out two-sided in color with a USB cable. If you want to scan documents, open the glass scanner, put the document you want to scan face down. I want us to scan using Canon Print App. So select scan. Then go on the right side, select the document, source, plating. You can select ADF if you can select plating or ADF. Plating is flatbed. If you select ADF, then you need to put the document on the ADF. And also resolution 300 dpi. The size of the paper is A4. Then you select scan. So the document is scanning. And also from the screen, will show you please wait momentarily. So the document is scanning. I prefer Canon Print App because it will allow you to scan multiple page documents. So this is the document we scanned. If you want to scan next page document, for example, open the glass scanner and put the next document you want to scan face down, close the cover, then you select next scan. So you can do this as many as you like. So select next scan, then select scan, select the same features, then select scan. So these are the documents we scanned, the first one and second one. This document, you can save it to the computer. To save it to the computer, then you select save. Then select folder where you want to save the document. I want to save it in the document file, then select save. Scan result has been saved to the following folder. So the document is saved, then you select OK. If you want to print it out, document print, then go to document, then type the date the document was scanned. Then it will show you the document and also the time. You select the document, select open. So the document is going to attach. The document is attached, 2-page document. You can print this document out. You can print 1 page or 2 page according to your preference. But I have already printed documents, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Another method to set this printer up, this URL, Canon IJ setup. So go to Windows Start, go to Microsoft Edge or Google, then type Canon IJ setup. Canon setup, select on Canon IJ setup, then select Canon manual welcome, select on it. Then select setup, start here, select on it. Your region, scroll down to select the region. Then scroll down and select printer model. So select PIXMA TR series. It will show you all the TR series available. So this printer is TR4755i. Select on it. Then you select start, set up a new printer. Then select download. Then open the file, master setup, select yes. Allow master setup, select yes. Language, English. Select your region, Europe for example, select OK. It will show you Canon. Set up a new printer, then select start setup. So it's downloading. Before you use agree to licensing agreement, I'm going to select required option and leave the rest. Select next. Select OK. It's processing. Processing, please wait. Check that the printer is turned on. Select next. Dictate printer, so it's searching for the printer, please wait. And the printer is found, TR4700 series. We'll show you the serial number, then you select next. So the printer is found. Connect printer via Wi-Fi network. By connecting the printer via Wi-Fi, you can use the printer from other devices such as smartphone. Click Wi-Fi connection to connect via Wi-Fi. If you do not have a wireless router, click USB connection and continue setup. So it will show you Wi-Fi connection or USB. So I want us to select USB. So we connected this with a USB cable. So you need to select USB cable connection. Printer connection successfully connected to the printer. Now it's downloading the software and drivers. Installing MP drivers. Processing. The printer is being registered to your computer. This process may take some time. Checking printer status. Please wait. Connection settings and installation complete. You are now able to print and scan. So you can print a test page. Print test page. So data sent. Then select OK. So it's printing a test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TR4700 on laptop. It will show you laptop name and port name USB 112. Color support yes. Data format RAW. Windows x64. And also it will show you on your laptop that the printer is connected. Then you select next. Then it will show you go to website. If you go to website, then it gives you option for you to sign up or select your PIXMA printing plan. but this is not compulsory. So I'm going to close this, then select Canon Print app. If you go to Canon Print app, the printer is also available. This is Canon Print app. Continue using your printer. So this is the printer online. So this is how to set this printer up. Thank you very much indeed.